things that are remnant
láti
things that
foundation tí mo ti bẹ̀rẹ̀
even
yìí
right from the foundation that
tí mo
Father
fi
started
roof
is
rẹ̀
that till you
mo lè
improve
dúró
it.
níwájú ọ̀run àti
And
ayé
Father can stand even before the heavens and earth. That there is no dime of church there.
sìmẹ́ntì ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì.
Even the cement of the church.
wọ́n tó ṣe táìsì ilé mi.
When our father was about to do the tithe,
táìsì bí wà ní store.
the tithes of this
wọ́n lè
place
nílò pákẹ́ẹ̀tì mẹ́wàá.
and our father needed 10 packets.
mo kọ́kọ́ ní èló ni wọ́n ṣírò ẹ̀ mo wá mú iye owó pákẹ́ẹ̀tì yẹn mo sẹ́ndẹ̀ sí àkáǹtì chọ́ọ̀chì wọ́n wá ní ọ̀nà kó wá fún mi.
Our father make sure he calculated the numbers of the money of that tithes, and he sent it to the church before they can even get it. You are saying God will just despise it. God will not consider it, but it is a lie. God will take note of it. The treasurers of church, Agbowejo, and also the secretary of Owejo. It is your ladder to rise up and your ladder to come down. As that position you are occupying can take you to heaven, it can also take you to grave. The Judah, how did Judah never become a treasurer?
Can Judas ò jẹ́ treasurer?
And if Judas wasn't a treasurer, maybe his life will not be destroyed. Or possibly he's the kind of one that is thinking about money before. Our father got to a certain church and the prophet said, this my church member told their wives and checked the offering box at the end of the service. Saw the tithe and he saw a plenty offering. And the tithe is small. Then he changed offering to tithe and tithe to offering. Maybe his life is destroyed totally as no care. All the trees in the garden you can eat from it, but this particular one you must not touch it.